Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the ringtone volume on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When your phone is connected to the car via Bluetooth and your phone rings, the ringtone will play on the car's speakers. If this ringtone is too loud or too quiet, you can change the volume in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment system screen. Then choose Volume and Beeps from the options. To the right of ringtone, you can use the plus and minus arrows or the slider to change the ringtone volume. The ringtone will play so that you can hear the volume as you change it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.